All right, ladies and gentlemen, North Leasing here, proud to present this 2016 Chrysler 300. This is their 300C. It's beautiful gray with black leather interior, premium sound system, steering wheel controls, dual exhaust tips, chrome rims, panoramic sunroof, backup camera, heated seats, super nice, and best of all, minimum damage around the body. Your front bumper looks really good. Your front hood looks good as well. Your front fender looks pretty darn nice. Here's your front front driver's rim. I don't see any curbing. Your tire thread here is under 730 seconds. Let's double check it. Under 430 seconds. This door looks pretty good. This rear door looks pretty good. This quarter looks very nice. Here's your rear driver's side rim. Very nice. I don't see. Does have some curbing. I'll say 10 or more just to engulf it. Comes a couple different ways. Under 430 seconds on this back tire. Let me double check it. Actually, no, it's just a hairline over 4. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. You got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. It is a powered seat. Let me jump in here, turn it on for you guys. Does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Get your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Got your heated seats, vented seats, and also heated steering wheel. That's pretty cool. Got your AC controls right down below. Pow. Got steering wheel controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues. And your mileage, if I can get there. Boom, 38,872. And the lights are dim on the car. Alright. Much in. Keep it moving. Shut the lights. Fog lights. Pow. Alright. Of course, folks, here's your rear passenger seat. What that looks like, no holes, no tears, no rips. Does have an armrest and cup holders. Rear AC vents and heated seats in the back. Super nice. Rear bumper looks pretty good. Rear quarter looks good. Here's your rear trunk space and what that looks like. Pretty big and spacious. There is a spare tire here with some tools, and then I did tuck away your owner's manuals back there. All right, definitely looks good. Quarter looks good. Here's your rear passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Tire thread under 430 seconds. Double checking it. That's correct, under 430 seconds. This door does have a little ding here, PDR work. Another ding there with some paint off. All right. Here's the other side of the rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Front door. Front door looks good. Here's your front passenger seat with no holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat as well. Coming around. Sometimes you can miss things. All right, this fender looks good. Here's your front passenger rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. And your tire thread under 430 seconds as well. Fog lights, working, car is on. Things are freaking beautiful. Folks, once again, this is the 2016 Chrysler 300, the C model with the 38,000 miles. If you guys got any questions, concerns, don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.